Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. And today in this video we're going to be talking about bank account churning. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any awesome videos like this. So what's bank account churning? So let's get the definition of churning first before we get more into it. So looking at Webster's dictionary, right here we see it says, for number 3, it says, to make the account of a client excessively active by frequently purchasing and sell primarily in order to generate commissions. Unscrupulous brokers may churn an account trading frequently to generate high commissions. So basically what churning is in this video is the movement of your money and or direct deposits from one bank account to another bank account so you can make a profit. Now, the way that you do this is through promotional offers. These are the ones I'm talking about. Have you ever received these in the mail? Well, these are the promotions I'm talking about, and you need these promotions to take advantage of churning. They're also available online. I'm going to put them in the description. Just click on it. It's going to take you directly there. Some things to keep in mind are that these promotions, they're like coupons. They do expire, so you can miss out. You got to act fast. Some things to keep in mind are that these accounts do require a minimum balance, setting up direct deposit, maintaining a minimum balance. Also, you're going to have to wait up to 150 days to receive your bonus, because if you close your account too early, you're not going to receive that bonus and you're just going to miss out and waste your time. Make sure you check out the fine print as well on all these bank accounts when you do open them. There's a lot more information, way too much for me to go into detail, but there is a lot of nice stuff that you need to check out. With that being said, let's get into it with our first bank. Okay, coming in at number 1, we have Bank of America with a $100 offer right now. So when you sign up with their bank account, they're giving you $100 right now. So let's go over it real quick. You got to open a Bank of America Advantage Plus banking account. Again, I'm going to be offering links for all of these promotions. It's going to be 5 different banks. Well, I think it's 5 different banks. And then I'm going to give you another link where you can scope out some more for the people that are on the East Coast and you got specific banks over there you want to churn those accounts to. That's going to be in the description as well. Okay, so back at it. So with Bank of America, all you need to do is deposit the $100, and then let's see, qualify, open a checking account. To enroll in this offer, open a Bank Account America Advantage bank account through this page by August 31st 2019. So like I said, there's expiration dates to these promotions, so you got to make sure you get in before they cancel these promotions. And then you got to set up a direct deposit, set up and receive at least 2 qualifying direct deposits of $250 or more within the first 90 days. So basically, if you open this account today and you're getting paid, let's say weekly, let's say you get paid every Friday, so 2 weeks from now you're going to have the 2 qualifying direct deposits that count within your first 90 days. And then from there you have to wait a period of time. Let's look for that real quick. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, so on the right hand side right now, I'm going to post a picture of the fine print through Bank of America. It says, after you satisfy all of the requirements, we will attempt to deposit the earned bonus directly into your personal checking account within 60 days. The new personal checking account must be open and in good standing up to and including the date earned bonus is paid in order to receive the bonus. So within 60 days after you make your 2 qualifying direct deposits with Bank of America, you will receive that $100. Again, once you receive those $100, you can feel free to close the account. You can feel free to keep the account, or you can, like I said, grab that money and use it at another bank account, and you can churn another account. So that wraps up Bank of America. On to the next bank. Coming in at number 2, we have Chase Bank with a $350 promotion right now. And what they are offering is, if you open a Chase Total checking account and set up direct deposit, you can get $200. If you get an account, a Chase savings account, and deposit $10,000 or more in new money within 20 business days and maintain that $10,000 for 90 days, you will receive that extra $150 for a total of $350. So let's scroll a little bit down. Ways to avoid that maintenance fee. So just by leaving that account open with a direct deposit, and if you consistently receive that direct deposit, you won't be charged a maintenance fee. So if you can do that, then you can have the account. There's other ways, but that's probably the easiest way, leaving the direct deposit on. For the Chase savings account, it's in the fine print. In the fine print, it says that you need to have just have the $10,000 sitting in there. Once you have the $10,000 in there, after 90 days, they will give you the money. And I think it's within 10 days. So let's see how it works. You open the account by July 15, 2019. So open the account within 2 weeks. Okay, so complete qualifying activities. Receive your money within 10 business days. So it's going to take you about 3 months and a week or two to receive all the money, all the $350. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the fine print on the right hand side, and you can read it for yourself as well. And that's it for Chase Bank. Alright, coming in at number 3, we have Wells Fargo. With the Wells Fargo everyday checking account, they're offering $400 right now, and all you have to do is open a everyday checking account online by July 26, 2019. So that's about 1 month from now that you have to open the account. Make a minimum opening deposit of $25 to fund your account, and then set up your direct deposit and receive a cumulative amount of $3,000 in qualifying direct deposits. So if by any chance you don't make $3,000 a month in direct deposits, and you do not qualify for this account. But if you do, within 45 days you will receive the $400 into this account. And let's see how to avoid their monthly maintenance fee. The way to avoid their monthly maintenance fee is just keep having your direct deposits of at least $500. Again, all of these accounts are the best way to do it is just leave your direct deposit on that bank account, and then just churn it to the next bank account once you're done with getting your money, your bonus offer. So as you can see, after 3 months of consecutive direct deposits totaling of $3,000 or more in each month, you'll receive your $400 bonus within the next 45 days. So that's about, you have to wait, maybe it looks like 100 and almost 5 months to receive this bonus offer. So this one does take a little while longer, but $400 I think is worth it. But yeah, that concludes Wells Fargo. We got Discover in number 4, and you have to open this account by tomorrow, but make sure you deposit at least $15,000 by July 15th, and you'll receive $150. Or if you have $25,000, you can deposit that by July 15th and receive $200. That's pretty awesome. And this account, this is a savings account. So as you can see, they offer a 2.10 annual percentage yield. This is exactly like the Ally Savings Bank I was telling you about on my last video. They also have no minimum opening deposit, no monthly fees, and yeah, look. So let's say you deposit the $15,000 and then you receive the $150. If you leave that money in there, you're gonna get an extra $318.41 just for having your $15,000 sitting there in that bank. That's pretty good. I like that. But other than that, that pretty much covers Discover. It's just a savings account, very simple, straightforward, easy way to get this money. If you got the money, deposit the money there and receive this bonus offer. That concludes Discover. I know this process seems a little complicated and it's pretty easy, but it's a good way to make some extra money. Like I said, Bank of America was offering $100, Chase is offering $350, Discover was offering up to $200, Wells Fargo was offering $400. So if you can do all of that within a given year, hey man, you guys got your Christmas money, or maybe a vacation you want to take, or something like that, or just extra money in your pocket, or maybe money you want to invest in the stock market. Either way, it's free money. I would take advantage of this. Well, I already have taken advantage of this. I can't even do it anymore because I already took advantage of it. But yeah, everybody should take advantage of this, because don't let the banks finesse you. You finesse the bank. Let's do this. Let's get this money. Until next time, peace.